All right, y'all. It's time for y'all to get ready with me for my photo shoot. Let's do it. The trick is that when you come to my eyebrows, you want to make sure that you brush them up. But we're going to have to enhance this part because you want it to show up on your photos, okay? Yeah, now that we got our outline that we want, I know it's scary, but don't be scared. It's going to come out perfect, okay? We want them to be sisters, not twins, so we're not going to conjoin them. But we're going to make sure that we have some nice eyebrows that's going to show up on the film. Now you're going to take your concealer. Now I'm using Fenty Beauty. I got this from Ultra Beauty. And when I tell you that it helps make a difference, look at that. You gotta go like this, like that. Oh, I put too much up there, but we'll make it work. Like that, okay? Like that, okay? Take your concealer brush, and you're gonna pop that down like this, like that. Oh yeah, like that, like that. Look at that. See, that already look good. Like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. Now you're gonna need some makeup wipes, so you're gonna wipe all that shit off. But right now we're gonna do like this, like this, like this, like this, like that. I'm gonna do the other side. I just had a whole fit for a good 15 minutes about this eyebrow and redid it and everything. Never mind, let's keep going. Ready? Okay. Use our liquid liner on the top. We did the regular eyeliner that we just used on the bottom. You see that? It's much easier on the bottom. You don't want this liquid stuff in your eyes. So we're going to put it on the top. You got to be very careful. Like that. Just like that. I'm going to do the other side. Okay, we get the dress so we can put on our eyeshadow. We are going to be styling and wearing and modeling some vibrant colors. My favorite, because I like bold colors. So we're going to do some bold colors on our eyeshadow. Ready? Let's do it. This blue. Ooh, a little bit of purple. Right up in here. Oh, yeah. And we're going to end it with some pink. Yeah, yeah. Because I like color. Oh, yeah. Let's do our pink. Oh, that pink is so pretty. It's a pretty boy. Do me a favor, guys. If you are enjoying this content, make sure that you hit the like button. Hit the bell to subscribe to get notified, and also share it with your friends. That I gotta use because I ran on my other one. Super Strong Cold. This one is by I Envy by Kiss. It take a little bit longer to dry. Yeah, yeah. This is how it looks like painting on some finger polish. I'll be right on. Got to blow this one a little bit so I can dry in place. Now these lashes, I cut them because they was too long. Best practice, always put your false lashes on in the center and then maneuver over to the edges to secure in place. Like this, like that. Yeah. Let's do the other eye. All right, let's put it in place. Center. All right, now we can maneuver around and get it on perfect. Yeah, I like it. All right, we gotta do our lips. You ready? Let's do my makeup before on live. You know I love this purple. I find it. Oh, we're gonna just do the outline with this. Ready? Let's do it. All right, just outline. All right. I think I'm gonna go for more vibrant colors. We're not gonna use our map today. We're gonna go with I Am Bold by Milani. Let's do that. Yes, we are. we rolling. See, the eyelash glue take too long. I like it. All right, now we got our makeup on, but we need to correct this area because that's where we have the concealer. You don't want to forget that because it'll show up in film, okay? You got to get you some makeup wipes, 40 count, $3 at Walmart, okay? So you want to take your wipes, put your finger like this, and go right here, because I don't have on full foundation. Now, if you wear full foundation, you will be able to skip this part because it won't matter because you're putting it all over your face. Me, on the other hand, I am not. No. In order for my photos to show up like they should, we gotta take that off. Okay? We gotta take that off. Yeah, we do. Yeah, like that. Like this, like that. Now we have lashes. When we start, we have eyebrows. When we started, we didn't have those. But that's okay too. Let's go around here. Like this, like that. Oh yeah. I like that, like this. Now she gotta dry, but we gotta do our nails. You ready? Let's do it. So we got us some press-on nails by Goldfinger. They didn't have my same design that I wanted. But last night I took those nails off. Show y'all what it looked like. These are the nails I had on at first. Took those off. Put some cuticle oil on so we don't get no infection. Because if you don't take care of your cuticles, you will. Okay? And we're going to put these on. Let's do it. See? You got to really, really get it rigid. That's the only way for the nails to really, truly stick. Now, if you have your hand drill, it'll work even better and your nails will stay on much longer. Okay? Yeah. Let me get through with this. We almost done. Almost done, y'all. Almost done. Pinky nail, baby. They all have been emeryed. But we got them all rigid. Now the next step. Took the nails out. We're going to have to measure each one and make sure that we have them all lined up. Yes, you need to do that part because it makes it so much easier. So let's do it. Gotta pry this open. Alright. Oh, shit. Yeah, I see that. Alright, so we have our nails. Some of our nails. There's more. Alright. In here. So we're going to start measuring. How do you measure? You see if it's going to fit. If it's over, let's see. Like this one is too big because it's covering up my cuticles. So I can't put that nail on because if I do, I'm going to get an infection on my cuticle. Okay? So we ain't going to do that. We got to get the extra nails. So we found the perfect fit. See how that fits in there? That's perfect. Now, we're going to do an extra step before we put it on. I'll show you. But that's how you want to measure. Now, if you can't find none that fit exactly, you can take a bigger one and use your emery board and do the bottom of it. Shape it to fit. But I don't have to. This is my pinky. Let me get mine lined up. Now, this is the most important step. You need to take your cuticle pusher, that end, and push your cuticles back. Otherwise, your cuticles won't be able to survive the entire time that you have these nails on because the nails will be cutting off the oxygen that your cuticles need in order to breathe. Do this for every fingernail. You ain't got to push too hard because cuticles move really quickly. You just go back a little bit like that. Like this. Just push it down and no, it does not hurt. My cuticles have been pushed back. We're going to take the Kiss glue that came inside of the package. So this must be by Kiss. This is one of their brands because this is Kiss glue. I don't know. We're going to take a little dab of glue and put it on our nail bed. And then we're going to take the thumbnail that we already have lined up for this hand and put a dab of glue on there. Set the glue down. Alright, and then you're going to place your nail on just like this. And hold it in place. And that's it. Now let me do my hand. Bye. Look at that. And these nails only cost $10.99. Yeah, that's the plug. This is why you need to have them lined up. It makes it so much faster than trying to search for each of your as you go. Yes, I'm telling you that because I've done that and that shit don't work. Okay. Yes, it don't work. No. Whole hand done. And this, like, this takes me less than 30 minutes. Yeah, because my photographer already waiting on me. Let me get my other hand done. I'll be ready. Almost done last one. Excuse me. I'm going to put the lid on so I don't waste the food nowhere. Yes. Yes. It's serving. It is serving, girl. It is serving. All right. Now, we got to get dressed in our Stitch Fix. If you want to try out Stitch Fix, make sure you visit my link tree so you can try it on me. That's right. They are one of my partners, and they will not charge you a styling fee for your personal stylist to send you a fix for your first time. I'll see you later. I'm about to go out here and rock this photo shoot. Y'all want to see one outfit? Okay, let me get dressed. I will tell y'all, these Mias are super comfortable. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to try Stitch Fix yourself on my link tree.